Share email, you can get your viewer to send over information from a page to anyone they wish through their email account. So here, for example, we've added a subject line, and you can add a message, and then you can add an image. You could add an image from that page, or you could actually add a screen grab of your page itself. To create share email, first you just draw a transparent box where you want your viewer to tap. Create a new hyperlink and name it Share Email 1 with a capital S and a capital E, and untick Shared Hyperlink Destination. And that's our page created. It's that easy. Now all we need to do is export it. So I'm going to put it in my 10-article 1 folder, and I'm going to name it L1-1. As you can see, there's already a folder in here named Share Email 1, which is the same as what we named our hotspot. I'll just show you what's in that in a second. So we'll save our PDF, page 1. Just ignore that my links are missing for now. And if we go to our folder, you can see our PDF's now in there, and we go to Share Email 1. We've got 3 files in there. We have body text file, subject text file, and an image. We can see that our body text file just says, add your message here. So you could write whatever you would like in there. And if we just click here to see the subject, you just write your subject text in there and save it as your text file and put it in your folder. And here you can see we've also got a PNG, which is our image that we want them to email across to their friends. So let's just take a look at those final files again. There you go, subject, main message, and an image. Take a look at documentation to see what else is possible with Share Email.